Most people misunderstand construction software until they are already stuck inside a bad system. And here's the biggest mistake you need to avoid: choosing software based on features instead of how smoothly it handles your real job workflow on site. In this video, you'll get a clear, honest review of JobTread in 2026 and see whether it is actually good for general contractors, what it does well, where it struggles, and who should really use it. Let's start with the basics. JobTread is a construction management platform built for contractors who want everything in one place. That includes estimating, job costing, project management, scheduling, and client communication. Now here's where it gets interesting. Imagine a contractor named Alex. He runs a mid-sized construction company with multiple ongoing projects. He struggles with scattered spreadsheets, messy communication, and unclear job costing. For someone like Alex, JobTread feels powerful because it brings everything into one structured system. But then there is Jake. He runs a small remodeling business with a few jobs at a time. He doesn't need complex workflows or deep cost tracking. He just wants simple estimates, invoices, and job updates. For Jake, JobTread can feel like more system than he actually needs at first. But here's the problem. Many contractors jump into software like JobTread expecting instant simplicity. But construction software is not plug and play. It requires setup, structure, and a clear process. If you skip that part, even good software will feel confusing. So what does JobTread actually do well? One of its strongest areas is estimating and job costing. You can break down materials, labor, and margins in a way that helps you understand profit per project. That alone can prevent costly mistakes. It also helps you track project progress in real time, so you always know where a job stands. Another strong point is client communication. Instead of scattered messages, everything stays tied to the project. That means fewer misunderstandings and fewer lost details. Now here's where it gets more important. JobTread is designed for contractors who want structure and visibility. It is not just a scheduling tool. It is a full job management system. But it does come with a learning curve. You need time to set up workflows, templates, and cost structures. Once that is done, it becomes much more powerful and predictable. So is JobTread good for general contractors? Yes. If you are managing multiple projects, want better job costing, and need a centralized system to control everything. But if you are a very small contractor who only needs basic invoicing and scheduling, it may feel heavier than necessary. The final takeaway is simple. JobTread is best for contractors who want control, clarity, and financial visibility across every project, not just basic job tracking. Now you have a clear picture of whether JobTread fits your construction business in 2026. If this helped you, hit like, drop a comment with your business type, and subscribe for more clear software breakdowns like this.